Hey guys, Sandy here, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm scrapbooking 2 photos from Snow White's Scary Adventures in Disneyland, and I'm using my How to Kill a Kit with Style for the month of November. Now this is my old kit. I'll leave a link down below if you're interested in seeing this come together. So let's see what I can do. Alright you guys, I am doing this voiceover after I spent a very long time at work. I left for work and was there at 4:30 this morning, and I left at 8 p.m. So I had to come home and make this video happen. I normally don't call attention to my hands because, frankly, I don't think you guys are interested in my hands. I think you're interested in what I'm doing with my hands. But my hands are a little atrocious right now, and they probably will be for a little while. So we made Christmas at work today. We built all of the display trees and set them up, and we set up the Christmas space, and I just made Christmas, and it killed my hands. I broke fingernails, I've got cuts and all that kind of good stuff. So it's just the way it is, you guys. So anyway, that is enough about that. I went ahead and went into my kit, and I pulled out this green piece of paper. This is a basic gray paper. Now, when I had pulled this out, I had originally thought that I was going to use the more solid side, but I don't know what it was. I just like the look of this green paper. It kind of reminded me of Snow White, so I went with it. Then I went ahead and cut off a small piece of this wood grain, and then I tore another basic gray paper and just put that butt up against the wood grain. And then I thought I would pull out kind of this, it's kind of like an antique-y gold washi. It's not really a washi. It's a tape from 3M. Well, they call it a washi tape, so I guess it's a washi tape. So I went ahead and did that across the layout as well. And I just like it. It gives it just a little teeny tiny bit of sparkle and shine. And I add even more sparkle and shine with my title, but this is what I was going for. So I trimmed down my second photo. So basically you just saw the poison apple and the evil queen's kind of I don't know, potion workbench. And you know, I don't understand why people throw money on these Disney rides. Like, I just don't get it, because you're like giving Disney so much money, and then you just throw money on the rides too. It's like, what are you doing? I don't understand. But anyway, there is that. I wasn't taking the picture for the money. I was taking the picture because it was the Evil Queen's potion bench. So anyway, I just flipped this floral paper over, and that has this green on green kind of background. It's more of a neon green, but the darker grassy green kind of matches the grassy green and my green background paper. So I decided to go with it. And then I made the smaller photo have a smaller border. I wanted you to be able to tell that they were flowers around the Snow White ride. Just because when I think of Snow White, I think of like flowers and kind of like, what are those? What are the heck are those things called? Cuckoo clocks. So anyway, that's kind of what I think of. So I pulled out this chipboard Pink Fresh, and I'm just going to add that onto my layout as well. Now, I love the fact that I am using some older papers, or some papers that are from manufacturers that are not around anymore. I did have a couple questions about Jelly Bean Soup. Jelly Bean Soup is not manufacturing paper and those kind of products anymore. American Crafts actually bought them out, if I have my information correct. But they are doing their own thing with digitals, and they have stuff on the Silhouette store and stuff like that. So when I was talking about my Jelly Bean Soup papers being from a company that's no longer around, it was under that kind of thing, because, you know, Basic Gray makes fabric, but they aren't making paper. So they're still a company, they just aren't making the paper. Anyway, that's how I'm going for it. Now this rhinestone thing says princess, and what better photos to use a princess rhinestone thing, I don't know what to call it, a rhinestone sticker, than with Snow White, because you know Snow White's a princess. The word was a little bit larger than I guess I kind of expected it in my head, so I did have to move my embellishment over a little bit, and I didn't like the way it looked. I don't like that orangey heart up there above the flower. So I went ahead and got into my kit some more and found some more flowers to add on because, you know, Snow White, more flowers, totally works. Now, I just thought that adding that puffy flower over top of the pink fresh little banner sticker type thing was cute. So went ahead and did that. And then I'm going to dig into this Vicki Boutin sticker book, and holy moly, you guys, this sticker book, I'm going to pull it out. 8 pages. It's got 194 stickers in it. So there is a good amount of stuff in there. And I haven't touched it yet. So I figured it was time to use it. Plus, I think that the colors coordinate really well with what I have pulled out for this kit. I don't know what it is, but this page came together super quick, and I mean super quick, you guys. So I don't know, I just enjoyed it. So I did those 2 little banners, and then I'm going to put on a label and put on this sticker that says fun times, just because I felt like this corner where the photos met up at the top was really just naked. And you know, I have a thing about naked tag holes. I guess I have a thing about naked corners. So anyway, I just don't want my page to feel naked. I want there to be stuff, because more is more, and less is more. You know, sometimes that's just the way it is. So I went ahead and picked out my label sticker and laid it on there. I promise my head is not greasy. I just took a shower. So anyway, I know I'm calling attention to a lot of things I usually don't talk about in my videos, like my hands and my hair and all that kind of stuff, but there it is. So the journaling says, we love Snow White. Even though the name says it is scary, it really isn't. It's fun. September 2019. And like I told you guys, I was at work for a long time. So what, 4:30 to 4:30 is 12, to 5 to 6 to 7, so it's 15 and a half hours I was at work. So yeah, the words were not flowing. The words aren't really flowing now. Anyway, there's the page, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for joining me, and I will see you guys again real soon for another video.